Okay, we just got our Dapper Airdrop for the first release, Series 0 of a UFC strike. Right here you can see the 3 packs that I bought. And for every single pack that you bought, you got a free airdrop, so I believe so, or I don't know, I got a free pack. So let's see. Oh, nice. Okay. Pretty high ranking, but I don't have a Chandler and I do want to complete this whole series, so I like it. Okay. Here we go, pack 2. Oh, nice. Decent number, and it's an Ngannou, so can't complain at all. Okay, this is off a free pack, so it's really good. And we'll watch these after. Just see the last pack right now. Tuporia. Okay, still good ranking. Again, no doubles. I didn't get the championship pack, which is the gold one, but I got 3 new ones that I didn't have. Decent number. I can't complain. So let's see what we got. So here's the first one.
Inside leg kick is there for Biggie Boy. Oh!
Oh!
It's over. Rosenstrike is out!
Whoa!
Ngannou!
Out bad! Out cold. Holy smokes!
So Francis Ngannou with his 4th consecutive vicious first-round knockout.
Cow. You can't make any mistakes. You can't be there when the punches land. He's too powerful.
Nice. See the other one we have. Oh, there's a glitch right there. Okay, it's Chandler. So here's Michael Chandler. Let's see his.
And look at the immediate... Oh! Big knockdown for Michael Chandler!
Oh,
Big right hand, Dan's hurt.
Dan Hooker. Oh.
Maximizing the debut!
That was his debut. That was a cool moment.
Chandler, bona fide UFC lightweight contender.
That's why you paid the big bucks for Michael Chandler.
Yeah.
Holy cow!
You can't not hate this guy, man. So can't go wrong with Chandler. Fight of the year, him and Gaethje, obviously. And let's see the last one, Tuporia. UFC 264 KO. Okay.
The timing is so odd. Like, look at this. Like, he just falls down. Oh, there it is. Nice hammer. Oh, big hammer fist by Topuria. There it is. Big shot. Oh, big shot by Topuria. He might be out. He's out.
Topuria has knocked right all out.
Did you see him let go? Once he got to an angle where he could punch and he got one off, he just started to let those right hands fly. That was beautiful by Takudia here.
Okay. So I just need to do my homework on him a little more. But that was a cool moment. And that concludes our free pack airdrop. So again, I got no doubles in that one. I do have one. So Where's the other double? So the only double I have, Arce. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this one, higher number, when the market opens up. Get rid of that one, and what I'm looking for, I'm gonna be buying Tuivasa and comes out Chimaev, however you pronounce his fucking name. So those are gonna be on my watch list, and yeah, I'm gonna try to complete the whole set, Series 0, and that's it.